Can you make money with a cap inside of a fixed index annuity? Let's see how that works. Let's say the index begins here and it goes down most of the year but shoots straight up over towards the upper right hand side of the chart on your anniversary date. Not the calendar year, but your annuity anniversary date. The insurance company doesn't look at the in-between. They don't use the in-between calculation. There's only two calculations, a beginning date and an ending date calculation. That's called annual point to point, point to point. And let's say that index goes up by 10% for the year, and then you have a cap rate of, say, 7%. If it goes up by 20% for the year, your cap is 7. You're capped out, your limit at 7% interest. If the index goes up 5% for the year, then of course you get all of the interest, all of the gain of that 5% credited to your annuity. That's how annual point-to-point works inside of a fixed index annuity using a cap. Now there's three ways to make interest. There is a participation rate of the gain. There is a cap, you just saw, and then a margin spread or administrative fee of the interest only. Three ways to make interest inside of a fixed index annuity. Remember to get the National Association of Insurance Commissioners Buyer's Guide, like and subscribe.